Hello everyone. Today we have a very special vehicle, Audi Q7. It's a 2017 model and we are doing oil separator, which is this part. It's also known as a PCV valve, a PCV diaphragm, and there may be a few more names, but oil separator is the official name for it. In order to replace that part, we needed to remove supercharger first, this big piece. So all of these items needed to be removed. All of these little hoses, bits and pieces, valves, this vacuum line assembly, all these wires were like bundled in, hard to remove. There's so many bolts just removed now. Now we have to find out how to put it all back also. Yeah, it's a very big job. Now, right underneath the supercharger, there is the lower intake sections with the injectors. All these pipes, all the plastic don't even need to mention. And lots of vacuum hoses, wires, and whatnot. All in all, this job, according to books, should take about 7 hours. I believe it's gonna take a little bit longer than that, more like 10 or so, just to replace that piece. And that's the maintenance item. You do have to replace it every once in a while, roughly around 100,000 kilometers. So not a cheap car to own. Thanks for watching and have a great day.